Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. My very least favorite thing to do of my chores is laundry, but thanks to this awesome drying rack from Annaklin, it's becoming a lot easier to do laundry and it's not scattered all over the place. So I really love this drying rack. It's a small thing that makes such a big difference. The rack has really made drying my strappy items go much easier. The hanger has a rotating neck, and not only is it super sturdy, but it works well. So all you have to do is rotate it slowly so that you can use all 26 of the hooks that are on here. The clips that are on here are really nice as well because they stay in place easily, but they also hold on to everything really well and they don't leave a mark once you take everything off. Because of the way that the hooks are set up, everything dries really well also. So I tested this by placing it even in a closet and everything dried really nicely. So the airflow went through everything with no problem. Once you're done, all you have to do is lay it down somewhere and you can easily take everything off of the clips. I also like the drying rack because you can fold it up when you're done. So on non-laundry days, it's stored away and out of sight, so you don't even have to think about that chore. So if you're looking for a simple thing that can make a big difference and saves your items that you don't want to dry, definitely check this out. It's a small thing, it takes up a small amount of space, but it's super durable and it really serves its purpose. And that's my point of view.